How to fix your account has been temporarily blocked from taking this action in Instagram. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Now move into this app. Right here, you can see the option of update. Click on update and have the latest version of the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone Storage. Search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Now click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Even after this, if you're still facing the issue, then what you're going to do is simply move into your application Instagram once again. Click on Open. Once you have been logged into your specific account, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Account Center. Now head over to Password and Security and then click on Change Password. Click on your account. From here, you have to change your password, enter your current password, enter the new password, and then re-enter the new password. After that, tap on Change Password at the bottom, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.